Hey, what is going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to easily erase and factory reset your Mac so you can sell it. The guide is easy if you have an Apple Silicon Mac or an Intel Mac with a T2 chip. But if you have an Intel Mac that doesn't have a T2 chip, generally 2017 or earlier, I'll show you how to erase that as well. So for Apple Silicon or T2 Intel Macs, what you'll need to do is open up System Settings, then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset. You'll then see a button named Erase All Content and Settings. Click on it, then type in your password. The Erase Assistant will open and it will tell you that everything from the device will be removed, including your personal data, Apple account, Touch ID, and Find My. It will give you one final warning before the reset process begins. Once again, all personal data will be erased from your device, so make sure you backed everything important prior to erasure. The actual erase process will only take a few minutes and you'll see an Apple logo with a progress bar during this process. Next, you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network or Ethernet to activate your Mac. Once the activation is successful, the Mac will reboot into the Setup Assistant, where it will say hello in multiple languages. This means the erasure was successful and your Mac has been reset to factory settings. So for pre-T2 Intel Macs, which are generally 2017 and earlier MacBooks or the 2019 iMacs, what you'll need to do is boot into macOS Recovery by holding down Command-R. If there's no recovery on the actual device, the Mac will load the recovery from the internet. In Recovery, go into Disk Utility and erase the internal drive, and name it Macintosh HD. Make sure you format it as APFS, otherwise you'll not be able to install macOS. Once that's done, go back to the Recovery menu, select a Wi-Fi network, and then click Reinstall macOS. Select the Macintosh HD you've just recently formatted, and then let the install process proceed. Once the Setup Assistant loads, this means the installation has completed. So this is a guide on how to erase and factory reset your Mac in 2026. Thank you all for watching, and see you all next time.